Today I wanted to show you our best-selling Aquarius Pro Valet carpet cleaning machine. We've been selling this model now for about 13 years, but this is the updated version. We've probably sold just over 100,000 units now, so it's a really popular carpet cleaning machine. One of the main features and benefits of it is that it's just so simple and easy to use. So, you know, whether you're 86 years of age or 25 years of age, it's nice and easy to use. So one of the key features of the Pro Valet is its really powerful 1100 watt motor. That gives you an airflow of 46 litres per second, but what that basically means is it really does suck. So when you're spraying the detergent down, it will vacuum all of that detergent back up and leave your carpet nice and dry.